on 1024, eastbound, approaching Mallet.
Black Bell ran off in the woods. We got the passenger. Help me, please. Please, I can't get out. I can't open this. I get it. I told him to stop. My arm. Oh my God. My arm. Hey, I gave his arms back. I saying stop, bro. Stop. My arm. I don't know. Hey, yeah, Black Bell. Hey, Black Bell. Green shorts ran this way. We're right here on the exit ramp of MLK to go 70 eastbound.
Oh my God! Ew!
11 half pounders come on. We got
hey, where's
one with a broken arm.
We got
Black male, green shorts, I believe. Green shorts and green shirt. Can I?
Oh, the staff from your location.
North.
Oh my God. Officer, please help me.
Listen, okay? Listen to me. We got LifeNet personnel right here, okay? Alright? Hold on.
You hear me?
Just hold on 1 second, okay?
Can y'all get my stuff off the ground?
It's gonna be a minute, alright? Alright, it's gonna be a minute, okay?
He don't even know nobody. I need to be doing that.
Do what?
I don't know where he called his truck running to.
He buried one westbound on Brand.
Yeah, he's going westbound on Brand. On foot, white t-shirt, blue jeans, look like dreads.
Another unit's coming. He just jumped the barrier to go down on Brand.
You guys westbound?
Tip.
Careful, I'm passing Malvern now. I'll be here in just a second.
Hey, Corbin.